All right, guys, we are here today somehow. I don't know how we're here, but hey, we're alive. We made it, right? So, hey, look at that. Tesla also just had to piss me off here at open. They had to run down below the area I was watching real quick just to pop right back up. Whew, what a weird move. Very weird there at open for Tesla, but yeah, let's go, guys. Appreciate you guys being here. Damn, we fell under that support and then rocketed right back up instantly. So very interesting there with Tesla. Can't believe that's the way that this stock moved today. But hey, I actually expect a little bit of flatness to come into the market, especially with how much we have to sit here and worry about the FOMC meeting coming up, right? It's like, wow. You know, we're looking at the FOMC meeting and we're looking at the SPY, and it's like, boy, the SPY is starting to break a key trend line to the downside, which is not good. It's pointing lower this morning. Inflation's upticking, which is a big thing that the Feds will probably want to raise rates in the future, right? Like, there's a 99% chance that there's not going to be a hike at this meeting, right? This meeting, okay? But that could always change for other meetings, okay? That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for, oh, this meeting we're gonna get surprised and do a rate hike. No, No, it's going to be November or December or January. Something like that is where we might get another one if it comes. But I'm very curious to see how this ends up playing out with the rate hikes and everything like that. The rate hikes. I know it's a touchy subject for some people. Some people, you know, have very strong opinions about it. Some people are just kind of, you know, just cooler with it, but whew. Good morning, though. Mike, Jamie, no business. Appreciate you guys being here so far. If anybody else is here, start throwing out your stocks in the chat. I want to see them, guys. I want to see what you're watching today. So far, Enphase is leading the watch list up 4% already. Having a nice recovery after these recent dips, so that's good for Enphase anyways. SPCE is also having a decent move. It's pretty cool. SPCE, Solar Edge, SEDG. Not bad. Guy, check CVS, please. For sure, Manny. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. It's going to be a rough stream. It's hard to talk today. Not going to lie. But yeah, let's go look at that CVS for sure. CVS. Nice. Running up to 72 almost here. I like that. You know, CVS. I bet... I'd bet on Bookmap either 72 or 73 has an insane amount of order stack. Where the hell did my Bookmap? Are you kidding me? My damn Bookmap closed. Damn it. All right, here we go. We're opening it. We're opening it. We're going to get it. It'll take a minute to load, though, guys. It'll take a minute. Get all that data going. I know a lot of people yesterday were looking at oil plays, Oxy, Zom, stocks like that. They're actually looking pretty good today. So far, so good anyways. Decent pops. Right up into resistance, though, which is a small negative here. Couple of upgrades on CVS. Interesting. I'm not usually a big player of CVS personally. It's just not my, like, favorite thing for the longer term, but I had been eyeing them up in the past, like 2017, 2018, 2019. You can see I had a crazy, like, wedge I had drawn on the charts. It's kind of funny. Once it broke out of that wedge, it started flying to the upside to retest up there around 112. Now it's falling a little bit lower, like a big M pattern. Interesting to see that. But nice upgrades. I'm glad, you know, they're pretty low right now, kind of bouncing off support on the daily. There's some big support around 64 to 65, so I kind of like that as far as a daily setup goes. For day trades, though, I normally don't think of CVS as being one of those stocks, but hey, they have decent moves. MGM puts. Uh-oh. No, not that. I played against everyone with AMD, Microsoft, and Apple puts. What do you mean you played against everyone, no business? I'm sure a lot of people want puts right here. Especially with Big Daddy Powell coming up. Someone put in Discord. Oh, shit. No business. Lots of people did calls last night, though. I mean, who, though? You know, I mean, I guess that's what I'm wondering. I'm sure some people did, you know. For sure, Manny. Appreciate you. Oh gosh, the Discord conversation's getting is getting funny now. Yeah, hey, I'm glad. Well, you know what? No business. I'm looking. Apple's kind of coming up. I hope it stops. I hope it stops. AMD should be nice, though. Oh, it was. It was doing nice. How about Microsoft? MSFT? Come on, MSFT. Microsoft looks good, though. It's weird. Apple's been really hot the past 2 days. I don't know if it's some of that iPhone news from last week or what exactly it was, but there's something like that. Because it's had some pretty good moves, even while like Microsoft, for example, just tanked down yesterday. And overall, the SPY was pretty rough too. So, you know, Apple is outperforming the SPY over the past couple days pretty well. About to get out. SPY 443. What? Let's see. SPY at 443. I gotta see it. I'm hoping that SPY can kind of fall under this double bottom, but it looks like it's going to hold up. 442.40 / 442.50 have been pretty big supports here lately. Oh, I see no business. Yeah, sometimes that's the way, you know. It's weird though, Apple yesterday, it's weird how they did that. I didn't think that was, I don't know. I kind of would have thought they would have fallen down as well. CVS is doing great. Manny's been looking at this one, man. Maybe eye up some CVS. It's looking pretty good. I think Manny just hit 100%er on it. Yeah, he did. Got some calls that expire this week. He had the 100 strike. Wait, hang on. Hang on. I know it wasn't. Couldn't have been the 100 strike calls, right? Or was it? Maybe that's why the percentage went up so good. Okay, it was a 71 strike call. I see. Okay, okay. I was gonna say, man, if that was 100, that would be something else, but good shit, Manny. Great movement there. Love to see that for you. Boeing's kind of falling off again. I like this one as a play to the downside, maybe down to around $200 or so. I kind of like that. Nice, he's up 90% on MGM. That's pretty good. Nice. They're falling over pretty hard for you. That's a good game. For anybody just joining up, don't forget about the FOMC meeting coming up tomorrow. I'm sure you guys all know about it by now, but I would, if you haven't, where you been at? But 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow, FOMC interest rate decision going on. Fed press conference, you know, Powell will be speaking at that, so it'll be a good one as far as a fun event. Anytime Powell speaks, it is a fun event in the market, and it's going to hold up to be true again here, I think. So this is so bad. Let's see what we have here on the watch list. mRNA coming up. Okay. What's to the downside? NEO's down 8%. Oh, that's kind of bad. They're under $10. Ooh, on that daily, they just had a big gap down. Wow, that's pretty rough, Neo. Good thing I didn't buy that. I don't know if I could do it with Neo or not. They scare me.
You wake up when the alarm goes off.
What did Hunter post in here? I gotta get this up for you guys. You guys will like this, I think.
You wake up when the alarm goes off. You go to your job. Sorry. Bye, boss.
Oh, good old my guy. What's up, Danny, Llama, Patrick? Appreciate you guys. Neo had a $500 million offering last night. Oh, interesting. No wonder why they're looking so bad. Makes sense, I guess, when I look at the after hours candles. You could really tell where it started. I see. That makes sense now, Sue. I figured there was something with China, but busy week as always. Let me know about those swings. Definitely no business. Make sure you're checking in. I think after the FOMC meeting, there might be a couple more entries, so make sure you keep your eyes open for those. Maybe Thursday and Friday. So be ready. Those 2 days for some entries. Tesla back under 265. Is it? Oh, yeah. We got to really watch 263.80 to 264, though. That's really what I'm watching here. Hey, no problem. No problem. Powell will say data dependent or depends on the data 10 to 15 times. Yeah. And he'll also say, I bet the very first words out of his mouth are, hello, thank you all for being here. At the Federal Reserve, we are committed to bringing inflation down to our 2% goals. I mean, I guarantee you that's going to be what he says right off the bat. At the Federal Reserve, we are still trying to keep our inflation towards our 2% goals. Sorry, I'm sick and can't talk, but yeah, you got the point, I think. Tell you guys what, this has been a rough past couple days. This COVID is kicking my ass in. Boy. Speaking of that, I gotta get a quick drink of water. It's right here, I just gotta chug it real quick. Nice and good. Appreciate you guys joining up, though. I really do. I know it's probably not as exciting as a normal live stream. I don't know. Maybe it is, but appreciate you guys being here, putting up with my sickness. 442.35 on SPY. This is going to be such a big level to watch. I really love the way on Friday that SPY just tanked down. So, guys, I was golfing on Friday in Myrtle Beach. What in the hell happened on Friday? Like, what caused that? In pre-market, we just gapped down, and then, holy shit, all throughout the day, it was just selling, selling, selling. I almost wish I wasn't playing golf that day, because I love selling days. I love red days like that. Don't get me wrong, I like green days, but red days, man, they're fun to play. INTC looking to go down. Let's see. Intel. I like Intel, but yeah, I'm with you. I think that they will. They're a little bit overextended the past year. 25 up to 40. Gonna be falling back off a little bit. Intel. What about AMD on the daily? AMD's right on this $100 support, guys. If this thing ends up breaking, it's going to be brutal for them. I've been watching this pullback on AMD, and I've been kind of wondering to myself in my head, like, hey, is AMD going to bounce here and start moving back up, or are they going to break down through? I guess it'll depend on how Powell moves the markets here, because if we start uptrending again, well, I could see it doing pretty good. Like, this was we're on a nice uptrend. We're staircasing. It'll just be another part of that staircase, Just, it's getting bigger. I'm going to throw out a poll for you guys really quick. Got to get a poll going out here. Here's the poll. It'll be about Big Daddy Powell. Oh, I just realized that you guys can't see this. Hang on. There we go. Trying to make sure you guys can see the dates and the time at the bottom of the chart. There we go. 262 Tesla, let's go. Yeah, this poll will be fun for Powell here. Let's see. The poll is going to be, will Powell and the Feds, will they talk about raising rates later this year? All right. Vote up in the poll, guys. I'm curious to see how this one goes. Will Powell and the Feds talk about raising rates later this year? Yes, they will hike again. No, no more rate hikes. Or you can vote for rigged anyways, but I'd prefer you not vote for that. The rigged anyways thing is, if we vote for that, we know somebody's salty, right? Engine and turbo blew in my Chevy Cruze. It's 11 grand to fix it. Wow, Purdy, that is quite a bit. Holy shit. Wow. Really? God dang. That's pretty insane. That seems like a lot of money just for that and the turbo. What happened to your engine? Did like the valves? Did you ruin your block or something too? Dang. Oh, so you're getting a new one. I see. Yeah, hell, that probably almost totals that car. What the fuck? You're probably right, Patrick. It probably should. Depends on the data, yeah. I think that they'll... Because keep in mind, they got to see 2 more data points now. They got to see inflation going lower. Guys, also, Tesla just broke the low. Just broke 263. Shit. There we go, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's looking bad. Boy, Tesla looks fun. Come on, keep going, Tesla. Let's get down to 260. That would be a nice target. Oh, gosh. Yeah, what kind of cars are you looking at now, Purdy? Meta, let's see. That's another good potential play to the downside, in my opinion. I don't like it for calls, but I do like Meta for puts if you're looking at it. Oh gosh, I love those. Good old Greta, guys, right? We got our good friend Greta is joining us.
How dare you?
Oh. Even when I'm sick, Greta can make me laugh. Okay. I love that. Spy looking bad. Meta puts. Yeah, I like meta puts here. I know it ran up a little bit this morning, but I think overall it's going to be a pretty brutal day. Especially tomorrow. I think it will. Not sure news. Some things never to ride with clients, but I don't want to spend more than 25K. You know, Purdy. I don't know what kind of cars you like getting, but man, I'll tell you what, for like the prices that I see of things, man, if I were you, I would probably look into something like this. You know, it's $27,500. It's a Ford Focus RS. It's all-wheel drive. It looks badass. It's almost a collectible car, actually, too, in a way. I love these cars. I drive an ST, but, you know, you can get these things used for around 25 to 30K. All-wheel drive. It's a decent little family car, too. Like, sure, it has some power, right? But you don't have to use it like that all the time. Has a 4-cylinder turbo. 2.3 liters, I think. Yep, 2.3 liter. Makes around 350 horse. Mine's been running great. It was funny. I only brought that up because I looked up... I just Googled, like, favorite cars or something, and that came up. So... yeah, I love it. Freaking pretty cool car. I've noticed that the prices of those things have went down a lot, man. Like, those cars used to be like 40, 50 grand. Now they're like 25 to 30. And like, look at the one I drive. Ford Focus ST. These are the ones I drive. Mine's got like 50,000 miles on it, but let's say, you know, something like this. Like 18,000 for like a normal or like the less powerful one that's not all-wheel drive, but pretty decent. I know all the tips and tricks on those cars too, so if you want to know how to make them last, I can really help you. Boeing 20440. Tom, was that play premium? Which play, Manny? Tesla? Boom, Tessie. The bot play. Yeah, I mean, any bot plays yes, this one was a premium bot play, Manny. I see what you're saying, yeah. Yes, sir, it was. Cadillac Lyriq is a nice EV luxury car. Cadillac Lyriq. Well, we were trying to stay under 25K, but let's see. Yeah, that that ain't gonna happen. Shit. I'll be honest, I'm not to the point of buying an EV yet either. I like EVs. I'll get one eventually, I think, but you know, it'll take me some time. I'm not gonna lie. That Lyriq though was like 60 to 80K. Hell yeah, Oscar. Hell to the yes. I got a Ford Focus ST. That was my first, like, sportier type of car I ever got, and then... well, I'll say this. My dad got me that one. But then I bought a Mercedes S63 AMG. That was, like, my first car that I bought on my own. And I love that car, but it was a little old. You know, it was like a 2008. It cost like 30 grand at the time, which honestly for a Mercedes like that was pretty dang good. But the problem was it costed 30 grand and it was 10 grand to get new tires, new brakes, and new rotors. So, I was like, yeah, I'm not going to do 1/3 of the car price just in like brakes and rotors. So, yeah, sorry AMG, but goodbye. Then I got a 2016 Mustang GT that was blue with white stripes. I love that thing. Sometimes I wish I would have kept it. And then now I have the Hellcat. Yeah, I feel you there, Purdy. I mean, that sucks whenever you get stuck in loans like that. My girlfriend has negative equity in her truck, so I feel you. I keep telling her, I'm like, whenever that truck gets whenever its warranty goes away, I'm going to be pissed. Because it's a 2016 Silverado. And we'll just say that those things have had lots of issues. Especially when you start getting to like 100K miles. Man, they blow up all the time. Exactly. Exactly, CJ. Exactly. And I love those cars too. The C63s are awesome as well. Hell yeah, man. But that's exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I paid 30 grand for this S63 that had like 30,000 miles on it. And then, like you're saying, it's like 10K just to maintain it. It's like, what the fuck? And that wasn't even counting any engine things. That was all just brakes and rotors and crap for me. Those stupid rotors or something else. Yeah, that is true, Oscar. That is what sucks. It wouldn't be as bad, I guess, if like you bought a brand new one. Like, let's say, you know, you went out and you bought like a brand new BMW or something. It would have like a good warranty probably for like 3 years. Then you wouldn't worry too much. But man, look at SPY now. This is just awesome, guys. The opportunities to the downside today have been amazing. Who had the Apple puts earlier? I hope you didn't sell out. No business did. Oh, he left. Crap. Yeah, Purdy, that's what I would do. Something like that. No point in really buying a new one unless... look out, though, Purdy, a little bit. Because I've seen some scenarios lately where, like, you could buy a brand new car. And let's say it might cost, like, 30 grand for it brand new. You'll actually, on a brand new car, you should get, like, 1 to 2% less on your interest rate. And I've seen some scenarios where people end up getting a new car that has the same payment as if they would have bought like a couple-year-old used car of the same thing. So just keep that in mind a little bit. I don't know how, how realistic that is, but... Man, Apple's getting down to 177 support. I've been stacking Square shares. Good, smart thing to do, probably. Square's been dying off now. Oh, boy. New lows of the year today. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Well, Square's done for, guys. I'm glad I didn't buy them. Crap. Llama, I think longer term it'll be just fine, but short term, I just don't know what to make of this. Oh, hey, I wanted to show you guys something as well. I always talk about this stock, PLNHF, right? Planet 13 Holdings. Look at how this stock was starting to rip up with the marijuana sector. Well, hey, good news, guys. PLNHF is now just PLNH. They had something approved in Nevada, so it's pretty cool. Like, they're technically like a U.S. stock or something like that now, I guess. I'm not, I'm not 100% sure on that. Let me get the article that I posted last night. It's pretty cool. All right. The completion of change in domicile to Nevada. Yep. So it's a little bit weird, but essentially they completed the Nevada domestication. The necessary filings were made with and effective by Secretary of State in Nevada. Upon completion of the Nevada domestication, each issued an outstanding common share. Blah, blah, blah. So you pretty much just got one-to-one shares. The ticker symbol changed. So you're going to be on the OTCQX US market rather than the OTCQX international market. So that's why they took the F off of there, which would mean, like, me and Mike always called that, like, foreign. So, you know, PLNHF, which would mean, like, a foreign company or something. But now it's just PLNH. And guys, I'm telling you, I think that this stock is underrated as hell. I'm serious. If you guys have ever been to Vegas or if you've ever heard of Planet 13, I would think just throwing like $1,000 in this and just letting it go, you guys would love it in the long term. You just got to throw $1,000 at it and just act like it's gone, I think. But that's what I'm doing. You know, I threw like $1,000 at it, a couple grand, just going to let it go. Nothing too crazy with PLNHF or PLNH, but I think that as time goes forward, this company will start to do better and better and better and better, especially whenever good marijuana news comes out. And you're talking about a cheap ass company. I mean cheap. So this stock should be a fairly good one as far as like risk to reward, especially considering how low it is right now. Now, sure, you know, it might fall down a little bit, back down to like 50 cents or something, but as we go, I think it'll be just fine. And as it actually does fall back down, I'm actually going to buy some more. But I think it'll just get better and better and better for these companies like this. Hell yeah, that's badass with Tesla there. SQQQ had a great day too. I know a lot of you guys know I've been swinging that one. Starting to come back alive. Let's go. Go SQQQ. Let's go. I'll tell you what's been kind of sucking a little bit lately is Tilray. Again, TLRY. Falling back down hard. They got a big gap between like $1.70 and $2. Oof. Again, that's another stock you're gonna want to have to set it and forget it. Set it and forget it. I've been in Planet 13 for a while, too. I think it'll be good long term. Nice, Oscar. Very nice. I like that. Very interesting company. All right, let's go back to our watch list real quick. Man, Neo's now down 10%. Rivian. Coinbase. These stocks suck today. SPCE's doing good. This stock sucks. SP Virgin Galactic. I like it for trades now and again, but man, they suck. Whenever you look at it long term, oof. Well, hey guys, I appreciate you joining up today. I'm gonna have to call it a little bit early here. My head just cannot do it anymore. I'm sorry if today seemed a little bit slow or if the past couple days haven't seemed quite right. I do have COVID. It sucks. I've had like 100+ fever the past couple days. Last night, I would sleep for an hour, then wake up for an hour, then sleep for an hour, then wake up for an hour. I mean, it's been so annoying. But hey, I appreciate you guys joining up. I really do. Like I said, I know it's probably not the best the past couple days, but hey, thank you guys for sticking with us. You know, seriously, it means a lot that you guys come into these streams and that you continue to make face. So appreciate you guys so much. Seriously, 23 votes in the poll. Yes, they will hike. I like this. It was actually very close. Yes, they will hike again is pretty close to no more rate hikes. So I can't believe how many people voted for rigged anyways, too. But wow, hey, I appreciate the messages, guys. Thanks. Yeah, I'm going to try to get better as quick as possible. I'm trying to push through. I'll say this, though, you know, it hasn't been too bad. At least I feel like when I do the streams, it kind of takes my mind off of it a little bit. But once I get back to, like, sitting here, then it's going to be like, again. But thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Yeah, you make money on the streams. Hell yeah. And hey, don't forget to check out in our Discord, #daytrading channel. Every morning, there's a couple free plays in there, and then the bot might even throw out some plays too. So I will be in the Discord today if you guys want to, shoot me a message, or if you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask in there. But have a good one, guys. I appreciate you. Thank you, Llama, Sue, Mike, Oscar, Purdy, CJ, Patrick. Let's go. Have a good one.